Ladies and gentlemen, back again. This is Mrmustacheslots. I'm on the Dollar Storm, the Caribbean one. Let's see if it's going to give me any love. I got $114 in the machine. I'm going to do $3 pulls on the 1 cent denom. Let's see what happens. Come on, baby. One more. See. All day long I've been playing games. These machines been playing games with me all day. They're not giving me no money. They're not exciting me today. Why you treat me like that? Mr. Mustache is a nice guy. Come on. One more. See, that ain't gonna work. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh boy. Two more. See, it won't do the 2 more. It'll give me 4. It's not gonna give me the whole thing. It's been like that all day. Come on, baby. See all this. And nothing. Come on, one more. Come on, see. This been going on all day. Oh boy. It's been going on all day with me. There's no luck to be found for me today. Oh boy. Come on, baby. Nobody loves me today. What's going on here? Nobody loves me today. Woo. I should have stayed at home on this one. Oh my goodness, I can't get no love today. Is there any love in this whole casino? Please, somebody. Oh my goodness. Three more. Well, I guess you're almost big for it to give me something. You have to beg, I guess. You have to beg. I'm begging. I am begging. The mustache is begging. Oh my God. All right. Don't end the party. Come on, give me another one. Well, I guess it ends with that one, but hey, That's better than nothing. That music all day long. I hate to bore you guys with that, but I've heard that all day long. Just relaxing me a little bit here. I've been losing. Alright, I'll stop it. I'll stop it. Because you gave me that little bit don't mean that you should end the party. Keep the party going. I need a little more love. Come on. Come on. Oh boy. Take it back now. Since you gave it to me and made me a little bit happy, you're going to take it back. Come on. Oh, this is beginning to be cold-blooded. Oh, come on, baby. Oh, boy. Yeah, I need some all right. You need to give me some money. Stop taking my money. Alright, I'm gonna change the dinner arm up to, let's try the 2 cents, see what happens. Baby. Two more, see? Wait. Just can't win today, guys. I cannot win. Cannot win. Baby. Show some nice numbers, but won't give them to me. See, give me 4 and 5, but not the ones I want. Win. I don't know why it's doing me like this today. It's just a bad day for Mr. Mustache. Bad day for Mr. Mustache. Okay, I'm gonna sign off again. I'm gonna try another machine so can I have some luck on there. Alright, Mr. Mustache signing off. Bye.